We'll guide you through how to fix apps keep crashing on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because you're trying to go and use an app and it just keeps on crashing. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to try resolving this. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part of it. So to go and get started, we're actually going to go and find the Play Store like so, and you want to tap on it to open it. Go and press search at the bottom. Now what we're going to try doing is searching for the app we're having the problem with. So what you could do is let's go and say it was Facebook. I could go and type that in like so. Now what you want to do is where it goes and says open, you can try tapping it as well. If you go and see an option for update, go and tap it. If you're using an updated version of the app, that can be the reason why. So go and see if there's an available update for it. Go and see if that then goes and solves the problem. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to do is go and swipe up to open up the app pages and come to your settings. Now, what you need to do is you're going to be at the top here. Scroll down and you need to find the option for apps and tap there. Now you want to come down here and go and find the app you're facing the problem with. Let's go and say it was this app here, go and tap on it. Then what you want to do is scroll down and go and find the option for storage. What you can do is come to the bottom right and press clear cache. Then what you can do is go and see if it will go and work and not crash. If it still doesn't, you can try clearing the data. As you can see, this will go and delete data though. So do consider that, but if it isn't working, you may need to try it. And after doing that, open it up and go and see if the problem is now solved. Hopefully it is. If it still isn't, then what you can try doing is we're going to go and swipe up and come back to the settings. We'll just come back like so to the main page. And now what we want to do is you want to just go and make sure our device is up to date. So what you need to do is you can go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for software update. You can go and tap here and you can go and press download and install. And it's going to go and check for updates. And if there's one available, we can download and install it. And making sure the device is updated can hopefully solve it. If it still doesn't work, let's go and tap and hold the side power button. And what you can do is press restart and press restart again. And after doing this, we'll then go and solve the problem. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.